What do you do when you are free? Do you go outside?
Do you play sport? Do you sit in the park?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to A1 English Practice. I'm Tom.
And I'm Anna. Today we talk about free time.
Free time is time for you. No work, no school.
It is time to relax. It is time to have fun.
Today, we talk about the things we love to do.
And we have some easy phrases for you too.
So stay with us. This is going to be fun.
Tom, do you like to go outside?
Yes, I love going outside. I go outside every weekend.
What do you do outside?
I go to the park near my house.
What do you do at the park?
I walk. I walk every Saturday morning.
Do you go alone?
No, I go with my friend Marco.
Oh, nice. Is Marco a good friend?
Yes, he is a very good friend. We walk together every week.
How long do you walk?
About 40 minutes. The park is big.
40 minutes is a long walk.
Yes, but it is easy. We talk and walk. The time goes fast.
What do you see in the park?
Many trees, big green trees. I love trees.
Do you sit in the park?
Yes, there is a big bench near a tree. We sit there.
Every time?
Every time. It is our bench.
I love that. What is the weather like?
Last Saturday, it was very sunny. It was a beautiful day.
Perfect weather for the park.
Yes, we sat on the bench for 30 minutes, just talking.
That sounds so nice.
It was. But then Marco wanted to run.
Run? After 40 minutes of walking?
Yes, Marco loves to run. He runs very fast.
And you? Do you run too?
I tried. I ran for 5 minutes. Then I stopped.
Huh. Why did you stop?
I was very tired. Marco was still running. I sat on the bench again.
Poor Tom.
Yes, but it was fun. I laughed a lot.
Do you play sport in the park?
Yes, Marco has a ball. We kick the ball sometimes.
Like a football game?
A small game, just us two. We run and kick.
Is it a good sport?
Yes, and it is very fun. I am not very good, but I try.
That is the most important thing.
Yes, one time I kicked the ball very hard.
Oh, what happened?
It hit a tree. The ball went up, then it came down on my head.
No, on your head?
Yes, Marco laughed for 10 minutes. I was so embarrassed.
Ha, that is a great story.
Not my best moment, but very funny now.
Do you have a bike, Tom?
No, I do not have a bike. Do you have one?
Yes, I have a bike. I love my bike.
Where do you go on your bike?
I go to the park. I ride around the park.
Is it easy?
Yes, the park has a long path. It is good for bikes.
How long do you ride?
Last Sunday, I rode for 1 hour. It was great.
1 hour. Were you tired?
Very tired. I went home. I sat on the sofa. I did not move.
I know that feeling.
But it was a beautiful day. Sunny and warm. Perfect weather.
Good weather makes everything better.
Yes. On rainy days, I do not go outside. I stay home.
What do you do at home?
I play games, or I watch a film.
That is also fun.
Yes, but I prefer outside. I love the park.
Me too. The park is my favorite place.
Tom, do you swim?
Yes, I love to swim. Swimming is my favorite sport.
Inside or outside?
Inside, but on very sunny days, I swim outside.
Is swimming hard?
It is not hard, but it is tiring.
How long do you swim?
Last week, I swam for 20 minutes. Then I was very tired.
20 minutes is good.
Maybe, but the children there swam for 1 hour. I felt bad.
Ha! Children have so much energy.
Yes. Next time, I want to swim for 30 minutes. I will try.
Good luck, Tom.
Thank you. I need it.
Now, let's talk about some useful phrases.
Yes, these are easy phrases for free time. You can use them today.
The first one, when the weather is good, say this. It is sunny today. Let's go outside.
Short and simple. Your friend will understand.
Or you can ask, do you want to go to the park?
This is a good question for a friend or for your family.
And when you want to play, say, let's play a game.
Or, do you want to kick the ball?
Easy words, very natural.
What about when you want to rest?
You can say, let's sit on that bench, or I need to sit down.
And when you are tired after sport?
Say, I am tired, let's stop, or I need a rest.
People say this all the time. It is very useful.
And one more, when the weather is bad, say, let's stay inside today.
Perfect. Simple and clear.
Practice these phrases. Say them out loud. It helps a lot.
Anna, what is your favorite free time activity?
My favorite is my bike ride on Sunday morning. I love it.
Why Sunday?
It is quiet. Not many people. Just me and my bike and the park.
That sounds very peaceful.
It is. I ride for 1 hour. I look at the trees. I feel happy.
Do you go alone?
Yes, just me. I like quiet time alone sometimes.
That is important too.
Yes, but I also love going with my friend Sarah. We walk together on Fridays.
Two kinds of free time, alone and with a friend.
Exactly. Both are good, both are fun, but very different.
I understand. I'm the same with Marco. Sometimes together, sometimes alone.
Free time is for you. You choose what you want.
Yes, that is the best part.
And I have one more thing to say. I am not good at sport.
Really?
Really. I tried to run last month. I ran for 3 minutes.
Only 3 minutes?
Only 3 minutes. Then I stopped. I sat on the grass.
Under a tree?
Yes, under a big tree, and I stayed there for 20 minutes.
That is my kind of sport.
Yes, so now I just walk and ride my bike. That is enough for me.
Walking and biking are great. You go outside, you move, you feel good.
Yes, and I see the park. I see the trees. I hear the birds.
Free time does not need to be hard.
No, it just needs to be fun.
Okay, let's finish with some simple tips.
Yes, good tips for your free time.
First, go outside when the weather is sunny. A walk in the park is easy and fun.
Second, go with a friend. A game or a walk is better with a friend.
Third, try a new sport. Swim, run, ride a bike, kick a ball. Just try.
Fourth, when you are tired, sit on a bench. Look at the trees. Rest is good too.
And fifth, have fun. Free time is your time. Enjoy it.
Now, write in the comments, what do you do in your free time?
Do you go to the park? Do you swim? Do you play a game?
We want to know. Tell us everything.
And if this video helped you, please like it and subscribe.
Share it with a friend who is learning English too.
See you in the next video. Go outside, have fun, and enjoy your free time. Bye, everyone.